Hey friends, my name is Evelyn Joy and welcome back to my channel. My daughters Esther and Deborah are having a joint birthday party tomorrow. Usually I make a teddy bear cake with my teddy bear cake pan, but this year my daughter Deborah requested Peppa Pig. Can I do it or will I nail it? I get out everything I need to make the cake and I preheat the oven to 350. In a large mixing bowl I put in cake mix, 1 cup of water, 1/2 cup oil, 3 eggs. Now, my 3 eggs, I like to break them into a glass bowl so I can easily check if they have shells. Mix it up and put it into my mixture. Now it's time to stir that batter up. Looking good, no clumps. Time to spray my pan with butter spray. I pour the cake mix in and put it in the oven for 35 minutes. It comes out hot. I set it out for a while, put it in the freezer for a bit. Did not come out in one piece. I struggled with the frosting. I actually needed 2 cans of frosting and the store didn't have pink, so I had to make my own. I decorated Peppa with Twizzlers and with raisins. What do you think? Did I nail it? I think it looks hilarious. I hope my kids like it when they wake up. Thanks for watching and have a great day.